No, whenever you're ready. It's recording, but I can just edit it, so this is a no.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your docking station laptop to this monitor. First, we're going to take our docking station and we're going to take our power and we're going to connect our power to the docking station right here down below. This is the other end of our power, and of course this will go into the wall outlet. Secondly, we're going to connect our USB cable to our docking station right down here. The other end of our USB cable plugs into the port on our laptop. There's probably 2 or 3 ports on your laptop. Just pick whichever one is open. Lastly, we're going to connect our VGA to the docking station and to the laptop or monitor to get our display output. Tighten it up a little bit. At this point, we're able to turn on our PC and see the output on our monitor.